Hi, here we are in the studio.
In our lovely studio.
This is Sheila.
And I.
And we thought we'd show you a few things that we make. So this is the lovely Lyra in the Northern Lights colourway. And we've got a whole host of beautiful garments. Here we've got Schiehallion. We've got the lovely Isla jacket, all in our own yarn.
Yeah, hot pink. I call this hot pink. It's not its official name, but I like to call it hot pink.
It's nice,
because
isn't it?
It's great.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's great.
You can see lots of gansy work, nice little bit of lace.
Yeah,
down the middle.
Yeah, love the buttons as well.
Lovely fit. Oh, the oak.
Yeah, one of our great favourites, and based on some design work that we did for a fashion show, for the big cashmere fashion show.
Oh yeah,
that we did a few years ago for Fashion Week, is the oak. It was originally done in cashmere, which was absolutely beautiful.
Dark green cashmere.
But there is a special story attached to this one that came to die.
It's how I design, isn't it? It's the way I work. Really.
Came to die in a dream.
It did. It came in a dream.
Yeah, fully formed.
Last piece we made for the collection. Woke up dreamt in the middle of the night. I was knitting it, and I knitted it ever so quickly. And I looked at it, and it was in a forest. I was in a forest in my dream, and I was walking through this winter forest in Scotland, snow on the ground, beautiful bare branches, and this stag came out from behind the tree, and you can just see the stag horns.
So the stag horns are here.
Coming behind.
And his head.
Head in the middle.
Yeah.
And in my dream, I was sat on a rock, and I put my hand down, and there was this amazing, I came out with this Celtic torque in gold. And I suddenly realised that was going to be the neck for the piece. And somehow I knew this was a long time ago. This was the Elizabethan age.
Yes. Because
I then went and laced the back.
We need a corset.
Into a lovely corset finish. So this is our beautiful overwork knitting, where I knit out of the surface of the knit and then knit it back in, which is a favourite. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed your quick trip.
Quick introduction to some of the things that we do here. There will be plenty more coming up.